Yeah, I just wanted to share with you why I started to create an Instagram content and using ChatGPT prompts because creating Instagram content every day, fresh, without having so many issues, actually, all the issues and pains and challenges and mistakes, whatever I was doing, I have mentioned here in the video, the previous video, which you can take a look, where it says that why I created the IG prompt, basically from ChatGPT, and how means they are helping me. And now I never, ever have to worry about creating Instagram content ever in my life and what all the challenges. So when you go to the website New Beginning and you go for Insta ChatGPT New Beginning, you will see all my pains and challenges. But this video is dedicated mainly to tell you what is included in this product, means why you don't have to worry about creating Instagram content ever in your life if you buy this product. First of all, it has the Instagram caption and hashtag, and it clearly says that basically you can choose this prompt, and here I'm giving you example what kind of actually output ChatGPT is creating, and you can keep on using this prompt and keep on creating. Yeah, this and these prompts are actually very much tested, because what happens, ChatGPT is good, but it is as good as what kind of prompts you are giving. And we tried so many prompts, and they were actually tested and refined and again tested and all, and finally we are giving you the best possible refined product. So Instagram caption and hashtags means basically they will be there. Then second is basically monthly content, how you can have a monthly content, and I'm giving you example so that you know. You have to just fill in the blank, and here this is actually the really big prompt, but you have to just fill in the whatever blanks are there, which are specific to your niche and your business, and you will create content created for whole month. You don't have to worry about, and you can even batch schedule, and your whole month's work will be done in just 10 minutes. Third is Instagram carousel. So here, this is the prompt. Again, just fill in the blank, just put it, and all the Instagram carousel, actually all those things will be given over there. So you have that. Fourth thing, we have Instagram stories. Stories are such a big hit nowadays, and here you can just modify the prompt, just insert the post caption over here, and you can create the story number one, story number two, all the various ideas are there. And the prompts are a little big because uh, we just wanted to be producing the best possible outcome, and that's why we kept on refining the prompts. And so the prompts are little big, and that's why means basically, and they're long, that's why means basically if you just want to do on your own, yeah, it takes a lot of time. So we have spent a lot of time refining this prompt, so we are just giving you everything ready made. It will save your time and money. Then Instagram Reels. So stories are a little different from Reels. So here all the video scripts, you can create the video script, just fill in the blank. All is there. Here we are giving the example, and here everything, your all Instagram Reel video script is ready. Then we have Instagram posts. So the square post you can have, and here again fill in the blanks. Here is the example. We are showing you that if you fill in the blank, this kind of output can come. You can just change the fill in the blanks depending on your business, your niche. Then Instagram ideas. So we have Instagram ideas. So you never have to worry about Instagram content creation ever, because here you will have ideas specific to your business, specific to your niche. And we have various surprise gifts. We also have a joint venture Facebook group where you can join. And we are actually having one live session every week. So you can come up with all your questions. We'll answer all your questions. And a surprise gift, we have a Canva templates over there, which you can modify for Pinterest or Instagram and whatever it is. We also have a community called Infinite List, where they help you grow your business, your list, and they actually reward you. Means basically when you participate in their giveaway, they reward you. So many resources. We are just trying to provide you as much as we can, and whichever way we can help you, we would like to help you. But we like your feedback, because we want to know what you want. And accordingly, we will try to provide more and more resources for your needs. Thank you.